Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Mr. and I'm a programmer. In this video, we're going to talk about what is real life to be a programmer in the AI era. If you're thinking about starting a career in programming, there are some things you need to know. Being programmer is one of the most flexible jobs out there. You can work remotely, no need to go to an office, and you have flexible hours. You can work during the day or at night, whatever suits you. Some people even juggle multiple jobs, working full-time while freelancing or just freelancing and handling 2 or 3 projects at once. But the downside, because it's so flexible, we often end up working more than 8 hours a day, especially when the deadlines are tight. Few years back, before AI blew up, knowing just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript was enough to land junior front-end developer job. But now, the skill requirements have leveled up. What used to be considered senior level skill a few years ago are now expected from junior. Why? Simple. AI is getting really good. Its capabilities are almost on par with junior developers. So if AI can do junior level work, why will companies still hire junior? AI is cheaper after all. But that said, junior positions still exist, but the requirements are tougher. Most companies now ask for at least 3 years of experience, and that's actual work experience, not just learning. So if you're a fresh grad, it's gonna be tough unless you've worked while studying, like through internship or freelance gig. Honestly, this job can mess with your mental health. Like I said, programmers often work over 8 hours a day, pulling at nights, getting little sleep, and it's mentally draining because you're constantly solving problems and thinking non-stop. One thing about programming, it never stops evolving. New tech comes out every year, and what you learned a few years ago might already be outdated. So if you want to stay relevant, you gotta keep learning. Will AI replace programmers? No, I don't think so. AI isn't here to replace us. It's a tool to make us more productive. Programming isn't just about writing code or knowing language or framework. It's about problem solving. Now, instead of spending time typing out code, AI can generate it for us. So our job as programmers is shifting toward tackling more complex problems that require deep analysis and creative solutions. So yeah, programming isn't dying, it's evolving.